Okay, so let me start. On behalf of the research team of the Sorsogon State College Office of Research and Development Services from Sorsogon City, Philippines, I am going to present the research titled The Philippine National Police in Bicol Region, a Community Survey on its Performance. So for the background of the study, our group was just commissioned by the Philippine National Police, anchored on the Philippine Vision by 2030, which is to have a safer place to live, work, and do business. So specifically, our study focused on the Bicol region, which is one of the 17 regions in the country with a total land area of 18,000 square kilometers, around 6.0% of the country's total land area. So it is also anchored in the regional policy, formulation, and enhancements. So for the objectives of the study, there are three. First is to determine the community approval rating of the PNP performance in Bicol region, to find out the sectoral net approval ratings and feedbacks along the PNP programs, community trust, respect, and public safety and security, and to determine the sectoral commitment and support to the PNP programs in the region. And for the methodology, our research team utilized qualitative research methods with the use of survey questionnaire and face-to-face interview with the respondents. So this is just a basic research, and we tallied the respondents per sector, and we came up with 13 sectors with 1,178 total number of respondents from the 6 provinces of the region. So we also give definition to the sectors so that there will be no overlapping of the respondents. So these are the municipal respondents per provinces. We have Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Albay, Masbate, and Sorsogon with 50 respondents from each municipality. So they are the 6 provinces that comprise the Bicol region. So we also divided the profile of the respondents into sex, civil status, and age bracket. So for the sex, we have the male with 612 in number. For the civil status, we have 60.78% for the married, and for the age bracket, most of them came from the 21 years old to 50 years old. So for the educational attainment of the respondents, most of them are college graduate, which comprise the 30.65%, and this is our instrument. We divided this into 3 parts. We have the demographic profile for the first part, and the second part is a Likert scale with 5 as the highest and 1 is as the lowest, and they are provided in our local language, which is Filipino. And we have also asked for the comments and suggestions, and this is the part 3 with the open-ended questions. So we have also this procedure, so take note that this was conducted way back before the pandemic began. For the data analysis, we have used statistical tools such as the frequency count, the mean, percentages. We get the approval or the favorable ratings and the unfavorable ratings, and came up with the net approval rating by deducting the unfavorable from the favorable rating. And we also got the qualitative analysis from the comments and suggestions and recommendations of every participant. So these are the survey results. I am not going to bore you with these figures. This is just to give you the idea that from the community rating on PNP performance in Bicol region, they all got the 75% rating. And this is the net favorable rating of by province on PNP performance for clarity. And this is the sectoral net approval rating. So we get the rating per sector. So this is on PNP campaign against criminality, and according to age group, is still on program against criminality. This is on trust rating, and we have the community age group net trust rating, and the respect rating, and the approval rating on public safety, on public security, and against illegal campaign against illegal drugs. And so this is the presentation of the commitment of support to PNP programs by sector. And in conclusion, I can still see that there are just there are still 4 minutes. In the conclusion, the team concluded that the Philippine National Police and Bicol region performed well in the delivery of their programs and services along their mandates, as revealed by the positive excellent net rating from the Bicolanos. We call Bicolanos the group of people from the Bicol region. And the PNP gained a positive, very high trust and respect rating from the community of different sectors in the region. Another conclusion is that the two provinces of Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur have the highest public safety and security ratings from the community among the 7 areas of analysis. And the province of Catanduanes, which is an island, has the lowest good net approval rating on public safety and security, following Naga City and Sorsogon province, with private and government employees who provided the lowest rating. And it is the judiciary sector who provided the lowest net approval rating on PNP programs against criminality, while the academe has the lowest net approval rating on PNP campaign against illegal drugs. And the PNP gained favorable commitment of support from the community, especially the elected government officials, academe, agriculture sector, government official, business sector, government and private employees, informal workers, parents, and youth sectors on their campaign against illegal drugs, the terrorism, riding in tandem, and illegal gambling. And for the recommendations, the Philippine National Police may continue and maintain their excellent image from the public by performing their duties and responsibilities in the community with impartiality from all walks of life, regardless of their status. And cognizant to the PNP vision and mission, the PNP may strengthen their partnership and collaborations with the different sectors towards a more responsive and committed patriotic community in maintaining peace and order and ensuring public safety and internal security in the region. And results of the survey may be considered by the Region 5 in their strategic planning, as well as in regional policy formulation and enhancements. The regional office may concentrate their interventions in the area where they got the lowest rating based on community perceptions. And feedbacks from the community per sector among the 6 provinces may be considered by the PNP for continuous improvement of the delivery of programs and services to the Bicolanos. And we will, on behalf of the Sorsogon State College, this is our acknowledgement, because we are just commissioned by the Philippine National Police. And these are our references, and this is the composition of the research team, and this is the map of each province where we gathered the data from 50 respondents from each municipality. So this is the Camarines Sur, the Camarines Norte, and this is the Catanduanes, which is an island, Albay province, and we have the Masbate, which is another island in the province. And that's all. Thank you.